In today's video, I'm going to teach you effective ways to sum a column in Google Sheets. Summing a column is one of the most fundamental tasks you'll perform in Google Sheets, and knowing the various methods can significantly enhance your productivity and accuracy. Let's start with the most common and straightforward method, which is using the sum function. This function is robust and reliable, making it a favorite for most users. To use the sum function, you'll begin by typing an equals sign, followed by the word sum, all in capital letters. Then you'll need to open a parenthesis. Once you've done this, the next step is to define the range of cells you want to add up. You can do this either by clicking and dragging over the cells that you want to include in your sum, or manually typing out the range. For instance, if you're adding up cells in column A from row 1 to row 10, you would type A1, A10. After selecting your range, close the parenthesis and press Enter. This method calculates the sum of the specified range automatically, updating whenever changes occur in the cells you've selected. Another method you might use is through direct addition with the plus sign. This involves selecting each cell individually and adding them together. You would type an equals sign, followed by clicking on the first cell, type a plus sign, add the next cell, and so on. However, this method becomes cumbersome and inefficient as the data set grows larger, so it's best reserved for small, simple calculations. Now, let's explore a more advanced method where you can use the SUMIF function. This is incredibly useful when you want to sum a column based on certain conditions. For example, suppose you only wish to sum values in a column that meet a specific criterion, such as being greater than a certain number. With SUMIF, you'll again start with an equals sign, followed by the word SUMIF. Open a parenthesis, and then select the range that contains the criteria you want to apply. Next, add a comma. Then input your condition in quotes, such as greater than 10, and close the quote. After another comma, specify the range of cells you want to sum. After closing the parenthesis, hit Enter, and Google Sheets will sum only those cells that meet the condition you specified. In summary, while the SUM function is your go-to for basic summing, understanding how to use additional methods like direct addition and the SUMIF function will empower you to handle more complex datasets with ease. Each of these techniques has its unique benefits, allowing you to choose the best one for your particular needs. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating!